I want to show you how to use the scanner of your Canon PIXMA TS6520. So I want to show you how to get the scan result directly on your phone. This way you'll be able to share those results or print them, save them, do whatever you want to do with them. So let's get started right away. Before even putting the page over here, we have to connect the printer to the same Wi-Fi network as your phone or computer. First, you're going to press the home button over here so we start on the same page. And then using these arrows, you're going to go down. And then using these arrows, you're going to go down. You're going to select Settings, press OK. Select LAN Settings, it's the first option, press OK. Now we're going to select Wi-Fi, which is the first option. So press again on OK. Then go down with the arrow and we need to select Wi-Fi setup. So press OK. Push down the down arrow and we're going to select manual connect. Press OK. It will search for all the different Wi-Fi networks that are currently around the printer. So give it a few seconds and they will all appear in a list. This is the list, and again with the arrows you'll be able to navigate and find your Wi-Fi network. Mine is this one, so I'll press OK, and now it's time to enter the password. Press OK again, and you're going to have a small keyboard appearing on the display that you'll be able to navigate using the arrows. Once you have typed your password, go down and select OK on the lower right side and press the OK button. Once your printer is connected to your Wi-Fi, you're going to get this confirmation message connected to the wireless router. Then, well, this is an iPhone, but it's the same thing for an Android smartphone. You need to download the Canon Print app. So go on the App Store or Google Play Store and search for Canon Print. You're going to open the app, select Agree, then go down the page and press OK. You're not obligated to check these other Agree. Press Allow, tap on Search. Here you can close down this window that they're trying to sell you something. Select Allow while using the app. To scan, you're going to open the scan lid. And you're going to notice that on the top left corner over here, there is an arrow pointing to this corner. What it means is that you need to take the document you wish to scan, place it facing down, and make sure that the top part of your document is towards the left side. And we're going to bring this corner of your document so it touches the corner with an arrow. Once both are touching, you know that your paper is properly aligned. Close down the lid, and on the app, we simply have to select Scan. Change settings, and here you can select if you're scanning a document, like I do, or a picture. Change if you want the scan to be in color or in black and white, and also the size of the document you're trying to scan. Once you're ready, press the blue scan button down below, and let's wait. It usually takes around 12 to 15 seconds to get a result on our display. Now, it will not be saved automatically. I'll show you what you need to do in just a few seconds. So we're gonna get this screen, and what they show you over here is simply that if your document has multiple pages, let's say you have a 5-page document, well, go ahead and remove this one, put the next page, and press Scan. And like this, you can have multiple pages scanned and it will be combined in one file. But in my case, I just want to scan this page. So I'll press Exit. And now on the lower left side, I will have this icon. It's a square with an arrow pointing up. If you're using an Android smartphone, it may look slightly different, but the same option will be somewhere around here. Tap on it. You're going to select if you want to save it as a JPEG or save it as a PDF file. In my case, it's a PDF, so I'll select that. And now on iPhone, you will be able to share it with your favorite contacts, with your favorite apps, and also other options down below, including printing the scan Or if you go down over here, save to files, this will save it on the memory of your iPhone. So let's say I want to save it to the iPhone. I'll press save in the folder that I wish. And this is about it. It got saved or shared. You can press the X button, OK, and you can continue using your printer with the other options. If you found my video useful and you want to support my channel, check my Amazon links down below to purchase some replacement ink for this specific TS6520, or some paper, or even a new printer. Every time you go through my Amazon links, I get a very small commission. It doesn't cost you more, but I get that small commission, and it helps my channel going on. Subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the next video.